With your voice, you recite and ascend. Are you ready?
وسيق الذين اتقوا ربهم
فإن للذين ظلموا
رحماء بينهم.
Recitations that humble the hearts, voices resonating with the verses of light. A Quranic competition in the blessed atmosphere of Ramadan, the month of mercy and forgiveness.
وهم فيما اشتهت أنفسهم خالدون.
The Dar el-Huda Islamic Institute in Amsterdam proudly presents the 5th edition of the International Quran Competition with the noble and righteous reciters, participants from all around the world, the most melodious voices, and the most beautiful recitations. A challenge that unites the people of the Quran at the table of the Most Merciful. Do you have a voice that touches hearts? Are you proficient in the rules of Quranic recitation? Registration opens soon. The journey of the noble and righteous reciters begins now. Be ready for the moment.
سنة الله في الذين خلوا من قبل وكان أمر الله قدرا